I'm going to create a copy of this frame, paste it over. I'm going to rename this frame my relays. And let's just clean up some of this stuff. Okay. Now let's go to our components and grab a card. And let's put it in the top left-hand corner here. Now I'm just going to use this section to write some information about the user. So the idea will be that the user is basically able to see everything they really need to know about their current status just by looking at this particular card. Okay, now let's just style these a little bit. Now let's grab another card and let's show the active relays that a person would have. So I'm just going to move this here a little bit. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Let's start out with a status bar. So a person would be able to see the status of a relay pretty quickly. And let's just color code that so it's even more obvious. Okay, that looks pretty good. Maybe even bold this. Okay, now let's add the content about a relay. So I'm going to start with the goal. It's probably the most important thing for the user to understand about a particular relay. So let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, now I'm going to grab some icons, and I'm just going to use these to basically describe the features of a particular relay. So I'm going to use this one for type, health in this case. And I'm just going to switch this icon, pick up something for frequency. Okay. Now let's add the start and end dates. So we use the calendar icon. Just going to adjust this so it's the same color. And we'll just throw in some arbitrary dates here. Okay. Now let's highlight how many points a person has earned for a particular relay. Let me just play around with this a little bit. Just want to highlight it so that it's pretty obvious to the user. And I think I'll try and underline as well. Okay. And that looks pretty good. I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to do the same thing for teammates, so they know how many people are participating. Then I'm just going to adjust the color a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to group this. And I can name my group. So I'm going to change this to relay card. Now I can just copy this and paste it. So let's just do a couple. Okay. Let's change the status so we can see the different status ones. So not started, can add another one. Let's make this one completed. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now I'm just going to adjust these so we have different examples. Make the wireframe look a little bit more real. Okay, I'll move these down a little bit, and I'm going to create a new label here. And I'll segment these relays into created versus joined. Okay, just move these two guys up. And I'm going to take this label and just put it down here, call it joined. This way we'll segment our relays.